Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these wooden cooking spoons. So this is a 6-pack. They all come in a protective plastic sleeve as well as the carrying pouch. So guys, these are the different styles that you have. They're definitely not cheap knockoffs, so they are very solid. You can feel the strength of them. They're not like the really flimsy. I mean, if we go and we bend this, it doesn't bend, so it's not, cheap flexible ones. And they all have holes in here, so you guys could, mount it somewhere if you want, hang it on from a hook. And so far, the wood seems all pretty smooth. So I'm checking, if you guys have been noticing, I've been checking to see if you could get a splinter, but it seems like the wood is nice and smooth down. So, a nice set.